ADZU-SOM Day Batch 2021 was disseminated into 7 barangays in the municipality of Mahayag. Our team was assigned in Barangay Balanan, a quiet area atop a mountain where the roads are rough, cool air on most days, but with warm hearts and smiles of the people. As health advocates, the team served as facilitators by asking the right questions and become accessible resources of relevant information. Community medicine entailed a bottom-to-top approach, thus necessitating skills such as community empowerment, needs assessment, and health program formulation, all of which were not prioritized in the existing medical school curriculum of that time. The previously curative interventions to disease were shifted into preventive and population-based intervention. Social determinants of health in the community were brought into the forefront of addressing health indicators. In essence, this community-centered method sought to empower the people by providing them with an opportunity to take on an active role by addressing health problems by framing solutions within their locus of control. The people of the community are transformed from being mere recipients to formulators and organizers of health activities. In return, the medical students are also inspired to become patient-centered clinicians with a view of health that is influenced by the social, economic, and political context of the patient. The medical students were not only expected to treat patients individually, but they were also called to be part of the dialogue in the community and solve medical problems at the grassroots level. The team's mission to facilitate community-initiated action on the barangay's priority health problems by providing information and evidence-based projects that are cost-effective and sustainable. The team's vision: limpyo or clean, a community that views hygiene and sanitation as essential to their health. Bago or new, a community with renewed commitment to health with existing resources and up-to-date information on current health problems. Ayo or well, a community that has intersectoral support with sustainable programs to improve the health status of its members. With the leadership of the ADZU-SOM, the goal of health for all is achieved at all levels of the health system.